Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. We are here with the greeting card and the bookmark video in the how to start our stationery business. I have been enjoying doing these videos. I have been enjoying getting my products and unboxing them. And I just hope you guys are following along and getting as much out of it as I enjoy putting in it. But if you are new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell to be notified every time that I release a new video. Of course, I am going to go head over to Canva where I'll be designing my bookmark and my greeting card. I'm not actually sure what I want to put on there yet, but the theme is black and white, and I kind of just saw this and I think I really love this for the bookmark that we're going to do. Of course, you guys know I'm going to use the small business owner designs. I think this would actually be perfect for what I'm going to do. Let's see. Let's bring it back and see. So I just chose a random element that was already here in Canva, and I already had my design up. It wasn't anything new. Just trying to get the dimensions. I think that looks good. I think I am going to go with this design right here. That was fast. Did not expect to basically have this done so fast, but I think that's super cute for a bookmark. I'm going to name that as small business owner bookmark. And of course, if you wanted to just do it by yourself and create your own little background, you can just choose. It was blank, but I ended up getting a template. I'm probably not, or maybe, I don't know. I don't think I'm going to do a back. Maybe I can. Let's see, because it already had an element to it. So go back to the template. Maybe I'll do the back. We'll see. I'm going to download that as PDF for print so we know what we need to do. Oh, also the size for that is it's a bookmark size in Canva, so it's 2 by 6 inches. And then for the card, I just do 7 by 5 inches. I think I want to go with the flow of what we had there for that template. We stay in the same family. I was just looking for the bookmark template. Let's look for lines. I don't want anything super bright. So I want something super simple. I don't want to do too much color. Be using all my ink. Let's look in element and let's look at lines. And then we can look at pattern. We don't want something too much, but let's see what happens. Is that black? I think that's simple. And then I want to go ahead and do like a box, but one that has, let's see what that looks like. Oh, we can't change the color on that one. I'll just do, here's the box. And let me get my line so I can make sure I know where the middle of my card is. This is a greeting card. I want to do something like welcome small business owner, or you are now a small business owner. Some words like that or something. So let's see how the words just look on there, because it has that background already. Is that in the middle? Because I kind of like it on these lines. But I'm going to position that to the back. And I'm going to make this box white. Sometimes it's, oh, what did I do? Sometimes it's like trial and error to get what you want and get something the way you like it. It's hard. You have different ideas, and sometimes it doesn't look like what you want it to look like. I think maybe I'll just put it here like that. And I want to make this smaller, but this box is not giving what it's supposed to give. So let's do a square. Get another one up in here. that can give me what I need as far as shape. Change that to white. Pull this back up. Position that to the front. Okay, that looks so much better. Okay, so I'm gonna erase this. Y'all, it's probably not perfect. It's probably not something that you would use, but we're doing an example. So on this page, we have to do the wording, and you have to do it like upside. It's like, it has to be like upside down on the left-hand side, okay? So I'm gonna ungroup this stuff because this is the same print that I used for the initial one. And I'm gonna do black. And I'm gonna do the effects, black in the background that has that shadow. Let's see what we're gonna say. I pray your small business journey is amazing. So of course I'm probably gonna make that smaller. Not that small, but small enough, but it's effective. I'm gonna grab my line, my handy dandy line, so I can find the middle. And I have to actually put this upside down. Let's see. So this has to go upside down for it to print correctly when I print it out. I'm just leaving it right there. Okay, gonna get rid of that. If you wanted to put your logo on it, you could put it right there. So I'm just gonna put small business greeting card. And I'm gonna save that as a PDF for print. And I'm gonna hit download. Now I just have to print it out. All right, really quick before I do anything with the printer, I did just download both of the bookmark pages because I want to put them on, I want to be able to have this not only once, but twice. I want to do more than one bookmark. The only thing, like, I have to line it up. I can't change it. I'm just putting it in the corner. And I'm going to put this one down in this corner. I know it's even. And then I'm going to download this as a PDF. So I could get at least 2 bookmarks, okay? Because when you go to print it like that, it's only one. I want to at least get 2 bookmarks out of this. And then I already downloaded that. Because see, now initially it would look like this and then print it on both sides. I wanted to have more than that. Now that way it'll print basically both bookmarks on one page like that when it does front and back. And then in your settings, make sure you have it as print on both sides. Okay, and then where's my greeting card? I'm gonna download the greeting card as PDF for print as well. And then I'm going to open that up. They're both ready to be printed. So I will take you guys over to my printer. Again, make sure this is to print on both sides. I love you more than you love this video. Peace.